Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to another edition of Stocks by Request. We're actually in the midst of Stock Smarts UAE, but they're doing their activity right now. So I'm taking this opportunity to be able to talk about the stocks that you guys requested as well before the market opens later. And later on I'll show you what they're doing and how they're going about their activities there. The first stock that I'd like to talk about is East West Bank. The stock EW started to break down at a certain point a few days and weeks ago, that somewhere in January it started to break down, then hit, and finally made the support levels around 27.8. So why am I saying this? Whatever upward movement you are seeing for East West Bank right now is basically it bouncing from the 27.8 level of support. But with that, there is a resistance at 30.3 pesos per share. So if you're a quick trader and you spotted the support at 27.8, your goal is to maximize it and sell at the target price of 30.3. If 30.3 is not broken, take profits. If it gets broken out from and it goes even higher, you can continue to hold your position, as the next target price will be at 31.75. So please take note of this. Breakout from 30.3, next target price is 31.75. If 30.3 doesn't get breakout from, take profits as it can retrace again to 27.8 pesos per share. From a position trading perspective, if the stock goes above 30.3 and stays above it, that's where position traders can start to come in and buy the stock. But again, if 30.3 will not hold, it will not stay there, position traders stay away from East West Bank first. Next stock, I want to talk about Macro Asia. Macro Asia was sideways for about 3 months, but as of this point in time, all indicators, short, mid, and long-term indicators, are now showing price and momentum movement for the stock headed up. And here's the thing, here's something you need to watch out for. As long as the stock stays above 24.4, this is now the new support. If it stays above 24.4, I believe the stock can go to its next soft target price at 28.4. So if you're a quick trader and you see it start to hesitate at 28.4 or go near it 28.4, you can now take profits with the stock as well. That's for Mac. Next stock, Vistaland naman. I mentioned this in Stock Smarts London that it started to break out. Soft target price was 7. It now developed into a resistance. After hitting 7, it started to retrace down. Now, the strong support after hitting 7 is at 6.1 pesos per share. As it hit the support at 6.1 pesos per share, it started to bounce. If you are a position trader and if you are a quick trader that bought at around 6.1 pesos per share, please take note of this. You're a quick trader, your target price is 7. If 7 does not, if a breakout does not happen and you bought at the support at 6.1, please take profits, because it could retrace and possibly retrace back again. Now, if you're a position trader, you bought at 6.1, as long as it stays at 6.1, the stock will remain bullish. Keep on accumulating to buy the stock, and I will tell you later on when we see a reversal happening. So for position traders, there's no reversal happening yet for Vistaland. The stock is still bullish as of this point in time. As long as it stays at 6.1, above 6.1, it's worth buying. Those who bought at 6.1, put 7 as your target price for the stock as well. Next, Ayala Land. Ayala Land is, I'm sorry to tell you, as good as the fundamentals may be for Ayala Land, the stock is in the midst of a breakdown. A lot of momentum and price oscillators are showing and depicting a downward trend, a downward movement in the stock. It failed to hold over the 44.6 support level. Now I believe there's a downside target at 42 pesos per share. Now 42 is the strong support. Quick traders, you can buy there, and your first target price is 44.6. Position traders, the stock stays above 42, you can also buy because that's a strong support. If 42 will hold, that would be a very, very good position for you as a position trader to come in. If you're a quick trader, please buy at 42. Your target price is 44.6. If 42 does not hold, please stay away from the stock as of this point in time. Next, Megawide. Megawide had bad news. People were not so excited about its earnings, but for me, from a technical standpoint, what's causing the downward movement is its failure to break the resistance at 21.65. Whatever downward movement you are seeing from it is because it failed to break 21.65 pesos per share. With that, you may expect it to retrace to 19.8 over the short term, because this is the support level of the stock as well, and momentum oscillators and indicators are showing that there's still a downward movement for the stock. So Here's the thing though, if 9.8 does not hold, it can retrace further to a closer support at around 19 pesos per share. But if 19.8 does hold and it bounces, you are a quick trader, you can buy there and your target is 21.65 pesos per share. So that's it. Before markets open tomorrow, I hope this helps add a layer of conviction in your trading as well. So we've talked about East West Bank, we've talked about Vistaland, we've talked about Mac, we've talked about Ali, and we've talked about Megawide. So I hope this quick analysis of the markets helped you gain the conviction to trade the markets with ease and confidence, because that's the heart, that's the goal of why we do things. We want you guys to have the right knowledge and have the right references in order for you to be able to trade. Now I'm just going to go to our Stock Smarts UAE class. I'm just going to show what's happening to you so you get to see what's there. So we're here in Hyatt Regency in UAE. Ayan. I'll introduce you, by the way, to Janice, a very, very rich retiree from Melbourne. Yeah. So there, this is our hallway going to our session. So it may be noisy because they're answering, no, but let's see what's going on. Guys, wait, you're part of the vlog. Say hello.
Hi!
How's it so far?
Oh, it's really good. Very good. Very good, very good.
So, but guys, this is the entire UAE class over there. They're all answering their session. So what we do in Stock Smarts is we teach them, we help them build their decisions on their own. We help them trade the markets with confidence. So, whoa! You're part of the vlog. How's it so far? Struggling? Oh no! Alright, let's having fun naman. Having fun. Okay, okay. More people. Say hello, guys. Hello. Are you learning something naman? Talaga? How's your analysis so far? Okay naman? Okay naman? Okay naman. Avoid. Okay, okay. Let's go to another group. We're teaching them how they can trade. Guys, how's it so far?
Doing good, sir.
Doing good naman? Yeah.
So even if it's avoid, do we still need to list the
reasons why it's avoid?
Still,
yeah.
Quick trading and position trading.
Yeah. Guys, kumusta? Kumusta? You're part of the video. Wala naman nakasikip sa inyo, no? So okay lang. How is it? Are you learning? Are you learning?
Yes, of course.
Okay, okay. Kayo.
Practice. Yeah, practice.
More groups. Hello guys, say hi.
Hi.
Kita ba kayo lahat? Yeah. Sorry, what's your name? Raju from?
Bangladesh.
He's the first Bangladeshi to attend here in UAE, yes.
Can I take a selfie with you?
Okay, now while we're doing... Okay, go.
Selfie with another side.
Okay. What have you learned?
The basics and fundamental of trading.
Okay, let's have a picture.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, yan. Okay, right. You're welcome. Hello, guys. They're now answering, kumusta? Are you learning?
May paglalagay na yung bonus na.
May paglalagyan na yung bonus. Guys, say hello. Learning naman, learning. Okay, yeah. So there, this is our group here in UAE. Yeah. I'll introduce. You're talking to. This is Randy from North Hill. If you want to learn more about Forex, North Hill, Randy here in UAE.
We'll be in Manila, by the way.
Oh, when?
April 21 and 22 will be, I'll be in Manila.
Okay.
With the whole team.
Give me the number. I'll put it in the comments below. Alright. Okay. Lastly, I'd like to introduce you to Diane. She's single, guys. Part of the team here in UAE and ready to mingle. Feb 14. Masaya malungkot?
Neutral.
Sideways? Sideways. Okay. So, that's it. This is our... Nico muna.
Hello.
How's the session so far?
Galing.
Galing. Grabe naman. So there, this is the entire Stock Smarts UAE. So thanks guys. I hope the stocks by request sessions help you know and gave you the convictions to be able to pick and trade the markets with confidence. So that's it. Bye guys. And by the way, I'll introduce you to them.
Hi!
Grabe, nag-attend ng ibang event. Inside our event.
No, as you can see, we're doing the chart.
Biglang napa-alta po. Grabe.
This one, see? Yeah.
Grabe. Okay.
We're looking at
So,
shapes.
bye everyone. Sabihin nyo, trade well.
Trade well, trade strong, trade smart.
Okay, bye-bye guys.